On this video, I will recreate the haircut and the ponytail style that I know you guys all want to see. Let's go! Roll that tape! First, determine the length of the bangs that you want to cut, and then cut 2 or 3 fingers longer using point cutting technique. This will give you some extra length so you can tailor the style when it's dry. To cut the frame, I will use the freeform cutting technique with the razor to connect the bangs with the desired length on the back. Slide the razor from the top to the bottom. Using the French technique, I will cut the perimeter on the back using the point cutting technique. The goal is to create a straight line from one side to the other. With this, I just finished the basic perimeter of the whole haircut. Observe how I select 2 different sections in front of the ear. To create these details on the frame, like you can see right now on the iPad picture. To create the unique bangs of IZUMI, I will cut the centerpiece with a V shape using the razor. To finish the bang area, after that I will continue cutting from the short part of the V down, creating an M shape. To cut the layers on the back of this style, I will section off this area on the crown to protect the length on this area until the hair is dry. Determine the length of the layers by using a visual guide from the length that I cut on the frame around the chin area. To create these layers, I will cut the hair where it lays using the condensed cutting technique with the twin combs. Starting from the center piece of the back, I will cut the desired layers, creating a guide for the rest of the layers. Cut the same angle on the other 2 sides. Paste from 1821 is ideal for blow drying the hair and giving it a texture and control. Distribute the product well throughout the hair when it's wet. Some of you have asked me for more information on the drying and styling process. So here we go. For this style, first dry the bangs and the sides straight using the flat brush. For the back of the head, hold and flip the hair with your fingers down and the air coming from the bottom up, like you see me doing here. If you feel like it's necessary, you can always use the round brush to flip the ends up. To blend the style, use the flat brush and push the hair forward. This will end connecting everything. For a more flat and straight finish, use the flat iron using vertical sections on the direction of the style. This is a great tip to recreate many anime looks for cosplay. Take your time to detail the bangs area using the thinning shears, texturizing the hair on the direction of the haircut. This will create shorter haircuts that will support the longer one, helping you to keep the style on the desired direction. Wax by 1821 is perfect to style anime looks and allow you to create the texture and definition on the ends that you like. Use the tip of your fingers to apply the wax on the ends like you see me doing here. Take your time to create the desired finish on the back, the bangs, and the side. If you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your friends and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Follow me on Instagram so you can see all the looks that I had done and what's coming up next. Next video will be Porco from Attack on the Titans. Hope this video does as well as the one I did for Eren Jagger. Now I will do the ponytail look. To create a half ponytail, I will comb the sides back, leaving the bangs out, and some pieces on the side. When I get both sides under control on my hand, I will proceed to use 1821 hairspray. For ponytails and men bangs, you want to use a flexible working hairspray that dries fast. To hold the ponytail, I will use a bungee. I love this tool, it makes the job so much easier and practical. If you like to cover the band, use a small section from underneath and wrap it around the ponytail. To secure this, use a bobby pin from the bottom up to make it less visible. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, I will leave a link at the end of the video so you guys can watch it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Really appreciate it. This is Angel del Solar. Love you all.